Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Now, this youth here, Shawn Storm, me feel sorry for him. Like me say, them say miss him kid and them thing there. But from listening to this case with him and VYBZ KARTEL, Shawn Storm shouldn't even be in a jail, yo. And me just can't understand how him so loyal to Kartel and Kartel not loyal to nobody. But I hope him take a deal and tell the man them where the body them there, yo. Cause me do a video like this before. Because the youth here, him not deserve this. Now, watch the rest of the video and drop a comment and make me know how you feel about this. But Shawn Storm, you's a youth who me did like, me still like. You's a quiet youth and you're too loyal. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And hit your notification button. Let's go.
Incarcerated dancehall artist Shawn Storm is reportedly homesick and missing his family behind bars. Jailed dancehall star Shawn Storm homesick. According to the Jamaica Star, the My Life artist, who was jointly charged with VYBZ KARTEL for the murder of Clive Lizard Williams in 2011 and is now serving a life sentence for the alleged crime, is lamenting his time locked up as 10 years of his life wasted. Apart from that, he's very strong and healthy, cause him play football daily. While his cousin hasn't visited Shawn Storm since the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic, because of the stringent protocols, he remains in contact with the dancehall star. The artist will be eligible for parole after serving some 22.5 years in lockup, while co-accused VYBZ KARTEL will gain eligibility for parole after serving 32.5 years in custody. He will be free soon. Likewise, VYBZ KARTEL, just time this appeal go through and get the best results out of it, which is freedom, Francis said.